Welcome to the Anna Darpan Depot LWB configuration. In this video, we'll showcase how to configure or integrate a weighbridge at the depot level, set up user level LWB settings, and switch between integrated and manual modes when needed. Log in as the depot manager. Navigate to Administrator, Depot LWB configuration. Fill in all required fields, such as LWB type, communication method, device URL or IP, port details, and integration settings. Review the configuration carefully, and once all details are verified, click Submit. The system confirms that the depot has been successfully configured with the weighbridge. Now, log in as the weighbridge operator. Go to any in-wait or out-wait page in any stock movement flow. Select a token and click Capture Weight. A manual entry prompt appears because no user-level LWB mapping has been configured yet. Next, navigate to Administrator, User LWB Configuration. You will see a list of all available weighbridge URLs configured at the depot. Choose the appropriate URL for the operator's system and click Submit. Log in as weighbridge in charge, return to in-wait or out-wait, select the token, and click Capture Weight again. This time, an integrated weighbridge dialog appears, showing the auto-captured weight from the connected LWB. If the integrated weighbridge has an issue, such as connectivity failure or hardware malfunction, the operator must request the administrator to switch back to manual weight entry. Log in as the administrator. Go to User Management, Search User. Search for the weighbridge operator and click the Configure icon. Change the setting, is prompt for weight to enabled, then click Submit. This forces the system to use manual entry again. Finally, log back in as the weighbridge operator. Go once more to in-wait or out-wait. Select the token and click Capture Weight. A manual entry prompt appears, confirming the operator has been successfully switched back to manual mode. This completes the full depot LWB configuration workflow, including depot setup, user mapping, integrated weighing, and fallback to manual mode. Your weighbridge operations are now fully configured and ready for use. Thank you.